Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new Star Wars hotel that's under construction near Disney's Hollywood Studios. This new boutique hotel will have 60 to 70 rooms and will completely immerse its guests into the Star Wars universe. It is rumored that this new hotel will not have windows that you can look out of, but will have video screens to maintain that immersive experience throughout your stay. The new hotel is located just on the back side of the new Galaxy's Edge themed area at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and appears to be on a construction path that would allow it to open sometime in late 2020 or early 2021, just in time for Disney World's 50th anniversary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter.